Hello guys, I made this video for the complete beginner who wants to learn the Linux system and are confused about how to download the system, where to download, where can I get, is it free or not. So this tutorial is for them. One thing you have to understand that to install the Linux system on the Windows machine, two things you need the most. One is virtual machine VMware Workstation, and another is Linux system, Linux ISO. VMware Workstation means it's a software to create the virtual machine, where we are going to create the Linux virtual machine. So let's not waste the time and let's start to install the VMware Workstation. I have already downloaded the VMware Workstation with the crack, and I have uploaded this software to the Google Drive too for you to download all the software. Just watch the video how to install. After that, I'll provide you a link to download this software and ISO file. First, let's install this software. Next, I accept the license agreement. Next, enhance the keyboard driver, tick mark, tick it. Next, leave it default. Meantime, I'll show you the link where I have uploaded the software in Google Drive. Let me show you. Internet, no internet connection. What's going on? No, it's still not. No internet connection. Maybe I have a problem with the ISP. Okay, first let me install the VMware Workstation. Then I'll show you after we install the VMware Workstation. We have got license. I told you we have got crack. Don't worry, I'll give you the link to download this crack too. So let's search VMware. Yes, we did it. So now all we need is ISO file to install the CentOS. See, we still got the CentOS 64. Actually, I've removed my VMware Workstation to make this video. That's why that is an old shit. Okay, please subscribe my channel. I will be uploading more videos regarding the Linux system. Let me check whether I have uploaded the software on Google Drive or not. Let me check. I guess yes, CentOS 7 and VMware Workstation. Okay, I'll provide you the link below in the description. You can get it from there, or either you can get it from VMware official website. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.